Esoterica 2026, an illustrated sidereal and lunar tree calendar, featuring hand-illustrated artwork, true sidereal zodiac, and dynamic lunar Celtic trees. For years, my solo studio has brought unique hand-illustrated artisan collections to life. Exploring the Celtic trees brought a way in understanding a fractal system, grounded by nature, to describe cycles of light. These insights led to the development assigning each cycle of the moon to a particular Celtic tree. Each tree has an attribute relative in nature, such as birch, being the first tree to sprout after a forest fire. Each tree's known characteristics give credence to each season of light. This philosophy may also be witnessed through the Vedic and sidereal practice of true star astrology, which honors the light present by using the true position of each constellation forming the zodiacal horizon. Through studying the Celtic trees and practicing true star astrology, the inspiration to create a natural calendar system merging both cycles of the natural philosophic lunar trees and the astronomical accurate sidereal zodiac developed the brand new way to authentically present the complex nature of light through a Gregorian lens. Expanding upon the Celtic traditions in my Sacred Druid collection, Esoterica 2026 is the first calendar to dynamically assign lunar Celtic trees to each lunar cycle. Instead of fixed associations, each moon is paired with its corresponding seasonal tree. The system reflects nature's feminine rhythm, allowing each cycle to express itself authentically. Most modern calendar systems, esoteric or otherwise, rely on fixed dates. My goal was to develop a calendar system that faithfully reflects what the sky reveals in real time. Esoterica 2026 operates on true star sidereal calculations, using actual astronomical positions of the constellations rather than the fixed date geosolar model. Each zodiacal transition is charted precisely as it occurs in the sky, providing an authentic constellation-based view of the year. To express this fractal wisdom in a whole new light, the information has been presented within my hand-illustrated 2026 Artisan Calendar collection, a functional object that is equally an artistic work which honors true nature. Every component of Esoterica 2026 was crafted by hand. Each month features a full-page pen and ink illustration composed of occult diagrams and esoteric imagery drawn from over a decade of my artistic development. Every element is hand-drawn in pen and ink. Calendar dates and holidays even feature a custom handwritten font created from my original written characters, alongside inked artwork for my Astro Logos and Sacred Druid collections. Esoterica 2026 includes planetary weekdays, lunar phase symbols, zodiac and lunar tree entries, and marked holidays. A true star sidereal zodiac wheel anchors the system according to constellation-based boundaries. Lunar phases are precisely mapped and paired with seasonal lunar trees derived from Celtic tradition, and planetary weekdays are expressed through hand-drawn glyphs. Finally, all text, dates, and labels employ my handwritten script developed from the Sacred Druid runic collection, giving the entire calendar a cohesive, unified, hand-illustrated presentation. To properly display the artwork, I chose a large 14-inch by 11.5-inch format. Esoterica 2026 exists as both a functional tool and a fine art print, and the scale allows its intricate details to be fully appreciated. Esoterica 2026 is a functional occult manuscript of the year ahead, a hand-illustrated, sidereal-aligned tool for anyone seeking to deepen their relationship with the stars, the lunar cycles, and the hidden patterns of nature. Alongside Esoterica 2026, I've also released a full 2026 Artisan Calendar collection, which features multiple editions built upon the same true sidereal zodiac and lunar Celtic tree system. All editions are now available through my studio shop, and will continue to be refined and expanded as part of an ongoing series of Artisan Calendar works. If you would like to support the studio and welcome one of these calendars along your path this year, I invite you to visit my studio shop available in the description below. Thank you kindly, and as always, stay true. For more information, visit my artist website at ᴄʀᴇᴅᴛ.com.